we'll guide you through how to log out of Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to log out from. Once you're on the main Google Drive page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your Google account profile picture or an initial. Click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. You'll want to look for the Sign Out option. It's usually at the bottom of this menu. Click on Sign Out. This will log you out of Google Drive and all other Google services in your browser session. If you have multiple accounts signed in, you'll see an option to sign out of all accounts. You can choose that if you prefer to log out of everything at once. Keep in mind that after signing out, you'll need to enter your credentials again to access your account. This is a good security practice, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Remember, logging out ensures that no one else can access your files or personal information. If you're using Google Drive on a public or shared device, it's always a good idea to log out as soon as you're done with your work. Now you know how to log out of Google Drive safely and efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.